In this video, we are going to understand how to download and install R and RStudio on Windows 10. This is the shortest video. To install R, please copy this link and paste this link into the browser. So once you paste the link in the browser, then press the enter key. This window will open. Then from this link, press this link and the software of the R will be downloaded into your PC, and from there just it is a matter of clicks. Keep on clicking and the R will be installed on your computer. Once it is installed on your computer, then go for RStudio, copy this link and paste this link into the browser and press the enter key. This window will be open, and from here you can see here there is different options, and press this free download option. Once you press, this window will be open, and from here you should press this download RStudio for Windows. So from then the RStudio software will be downloaded into your PC, and then install that software just by clicking next and next, and the RStudio will be installed into your computer. Open the RStudio. It will be look like this. Here you can press this edit and clear console, so it will be cleared, and you can write code over here.